Abasolwa babhekene namacala amathathu okubulala ango-2019. Lokhu kulandela ukutholakala kwezidumbu ezimbili emgodini wendlu yangasese ngesonto elidlule. Isidumbu soyedwa satholakala emva kwenyanga enyamalele. Umbuso uyasiphikisa isicelo sabo sebheyili. Namhlanje bekufakaza umphenyi wecala nothe ufakazi wesibili wadliswa ushevu. Ngakho-ke ukudedelwa kwabasolwa ngebheyili kungaphazamisa uphenyo.
There are threats that though all 5 accused persons are in custody, it is alleged that they have made mention of the fact that they want to destroy the docket.
Esinye isisulu salokhu kubulala isihlobo somunye wabasolwa kulaba abahlanu. Nomphakathi uthi uzoyibambela umthetho uma bekhishwa ngebheyili.
The community is not at all happy. Their intention is that should the accused persons be released on bail, they will take the law into their hands and kill them.
Icala lihlehliselwe uLwesihlanu kanti abasolwa bazogcinwa esitokisini.